Hello guys, how are you? Today I have a great video for you in which we will be restoring a 1966 Ford GT40 MK II.
You know, I think she might have one more race in her.
Watch the video until the end. I bet you have never seen a video like this before. Now we are loading the car onto the truck and heading to the workshop. We have parked the car in our workshop, and now a great transformation is about to take place. The condition of the car is very rough, but no one will notice once we are done. We will turn it into a brand new car that will attract everyone's attention. The condition of the wheels is very rusty, and I think there may be some damage. The restoration process has now begun. In just a few minutes, you will see a brand new car with a completely new look. The car had been parked in the same place for a long time, so many of its parts had deteriorated. First of all, we will remove the old paint by applying chemicals. Now I will try to remove the old paint with the help of a grinder. You can see that all the old paint has been removed. Now we will mark the areas where the car's body panels are damaged and cut them out. Now, the new metal sheet is being cut so that all the damaged areas on the body can be completely replaced. If you are enjoying the video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share it. It really encourages us. Now we are shaping the metal sheet we cut so that it can be welded properly into place. Now we will carefully and methodically weld the metal sheets onto the body panels to ensure a smooth finish. Now we have started the painting process. The body panel is completely ready to be painted, and now we will move forward. Now we have to restore the heart of the car, the engine. The engine is the main part of a car because it is what makes the car perform well. We have to clean every part of the engine very carefully so that there are no defects and the engine continues to perform perfectly. I am thoroughly cleaning the old engine parts because I want to reuse them. The old parts are very genuine and high quality. You can see how meticulously even the smallest parts of the car are being restored. Now we will reassemble the engine and breathe new life into it. Here you go, the engine is now fully ready. Now it's time for the interior. The interior of the car is complete, and now it's time for the exterior. We are giving the exterior a luxurious and stylish look. Our car is now completely ready, just like a brand new car with a fresh look and amazing style. Now we will test its performance on the road and see how it performs. It is truly a great, high-quality car. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Also, let us know your valuable opinion about which part of the video you liked the most and what things I need to improve. Until then, goodbye, and see you in the next video.